Now I'm going to show you how to embroider the design on the shell, and I'm just going to be using this turtle that I made as my guide. So first you're going to take a long length of brown yarn and just make it the length that you're comfortable working with, because you're going to have to get more. So I'm just going to start with a piece like this, and when I run out I'll just get more. So we're going to thread our needle and then make a large knot at the end so that it doesn't pop through the crochet stitches. So I'm just making several knots on top of each other. So we're going to start at the bottom here. So not the very bottom one, but this one, the next row up. And we're going to pull it through. And as you can see from here, we're just going to actually go all the way around the bottom and all the way around the top. So that's the first step. And each stitch is going to be just the width of one of the single crochet stitches. So you'll know exactly where to go through. You'll just use that as your guide. Alright, so we've gone around the bottom edge, and now we're going to do the top. Alright, so now we have our first little section done. Now as you see on this turtle, then we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, go up 3 rows and go all the way around, just like we did on the bottom section. 1, 2, 3, and do our first stitch here. Alright, so we have the last stitch done of that section. As you can see on our turtle here, we're going to do that again. Just go up 1 round this time and go all the way around, just like we did for the other. Oops. There we go. Alright, so now we've done this top section here, and we're ready to move on to this row here. So we're going to go up 2 rows from where we did the last embroidery stripe. 2. Oops. Alright, doing the last stitch here. Now we're going to make one more here. We're going to go up 1 row from the stitches we just made. So 1, Alright, so we've finished up all of these designs, and now we're going to start filling it in. First we're going to do just this little stitch right here at the top. So I skipped a stitch here, and I just went over 3 stitches like this. So there we go. Alright, got a fresh piece of yarn. Now we're ready to start working. So we're going to use this turtle as our guide. So we're going to start in the top corner here. And we're going to skip 2 stitches and bring it down right here. Right. Then we're going to skip 2 stitches here and bring it up into this corner here. Or actually this corner here, so that there's going to be 4 stitches and 2 stitches down there. So now we're going to skip 2 stitches up here. And 3 and come down here. All right. Now we're going to skip 3 stitches on the top and 5 stitches on the bottom. So 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Next, we skip 2 on the top and 3 on the bottom. And then finally we have 4 on the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 on the bottom. All right, our top section is done. Lovely. Now we're going to move on to this bottom section and then we'll be done. Alright, so we see here that we're going to skip 2 stitches on the top and just go right down into the corner. The next one, we're going to skip 5 stitches on the bottom and 2 stitches on top. Then we're going to skip 4 stitches on top and 2 stitches on the bottom. Right, the next one, 2 stitches on top and 4 stitches on the bottom. Then we're going to do skip 3 stitches on the top and 2 stitches on the bottom. Next we skip 2 stitches on the top and 4 stitches on the bottom. Alright, then we have 4 stitches on the top and 2 stitches on the bottom. And finally, we have 2 stitches on the top and 4 stitches on the bottom. And we are done. Then to finish off, you're just going to make a knot in the inside of the shell to secure your embroidery. And there you have it, your beautiful turtle design.